up, down, left, right, right, left, up, down. So for the class, you need to press LB and RB.
Get ready.
So in order to connect Flydigi Apex 2, we need to turn on the Bluetooth of iPhone 15 Pro Max. So iPhone 15 Pro Max. So the Bluetooth is on. Get your Flydigi, open it, press and hold the pairing button and the letter B. Press and hold both of that. Okay. Wait for it to connect. Blinking means it's starting to connect. Press and hold the Bluetooth icon. So it's connected. Flydigi Apex 2 is connected. So as you can see, it's already paired, connected. So the Flydigi Apex 2 stops blinking, so that means it's already paired. So let's go to settings, controller, settings. So you can see it's grayed out, so it means that it's connected. So if it looks like this, it's not connected, but if it's look like this, it's connected. So this is the settings. And you can set the sensitivity here, VR. So let's try to play a game. So as you can see here, there is the button here, A, C, left, right. So it's 100% working, but as a normal Bluetooth gamepad. I'm not using any Flydigi app here. Forward, back, left, right. Look around. The left trigger is aim. See? But unfortunately, we cannot use gyroscope. See? So as you can see here, the jump is A, the crouch is B. The class is left, LB and RB, and the reload is X. Up, down, left, right. Look around, right, left, up, down. This is the left trigger for scope, and this is the fire, the right trigger. The class is LB and RB.
Friendly K9 unit incoming.
Jump is A, crouch is B. So there you go. So you can check the key description here in the controller. Here's the all of the settings for controller and the battle royale sensitivity here. So by the way, if you want to use the controller support of COD Mobile, you will be teaming up and will be against users that is also using controllers. In order for us to see the gameplay clearly, we will connect this to external monitor. And yes, you can connect iPhone 15 Pro Max to external monitor. So now we will be connecting our iPhone 15 Pro Max to our external monitor, which is 32-inch LED TV. So I'll be using magnetic Type C. The brand is called Fonken. See, this magnetic Type C is capable of screencasting. It has 24 pins. So if you want to buy one, just make sure that it is capable for screencasting. Let's connect it. So this is our 32-inch LED TV. Let's go to HDMI 2. Hi. So there you go. It's already connected. Our iPhone 15 Pro Max is connected to our LED TV. My LED TV has a capability of removing the black borders. As you can see, there is a black border, so this TV has a capability of removing the black borders. See? So let's play Call of Duty Mobile using Flydigi Apex 2 with iPhone 15 Pro Max that is connected to our 32-inch LED TV. So as you can see here, if you use controller, there will be pop-up here. Your team has external device connected. You will now be playing against player with external controllers. So if you're playing frame rate ultra, you'll be playing at 120 FPS in multiplayer and 90 FPS in battle royale. I can show you the FPS because the iPhone 15 Pro Max has no FPS counter. So, but I'm sure that the battle royale will have a 90 FPS and the multiplayer will have an 120 FPS gameplay. So if you choose max here, it will have a 60 FPS gameplay for both multiplayer and battle royale. Here's the comparison. So let's So that's the side-by-side comparison of the monitor and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So as you can see, there's a corresponding buttons here for external controllers. Showing you that it's working. See? And also there's also corresponding buttons here above. Let me show you. There. So for bag, you should press and hold the up D-pad. As you can see here, I don't know how you can drag and drop here, but if you want to select something, press A and it will select this. I don't know how to do drag and drop, but if I press this and I press the LB left button, it will drop that. See? So if you want to exit, just press the letter B. Hirap naman maglaro ng ganito. The letter Y here is the cycle of the weapons. If you press and hold this, it will have the melee weapon. Reload is X. When you want to heal, press the left button, LB. If you want to choose FPP, just press the D-pad, down D-pad. See? So for throwables like grenade scope, just press the right button or the RB. See? And throw. So there you go. So for running, I just tilt up the left stick and it will run. So you can change that here, the auto sprint and the sprint action. You can change that option for run. For the class, you need to press LB and RB.
Terminal is almost ready. Friendly K9 unit incoming. Aircraft has been delivered.
It's very hard to use controller without gyroscope. So as I have said, if you're using controller, you'll be teaming up with players that using controllers, and you'll be against players using also controllers. And yes, you can use Flydigi Apex 2 in your iPhone 15 Pro Max, provided that you only use this as normal Bluetooth controller. You cannot use Flydigi app, for it will have this problem. As you can see in the monitor, that will be the problem if you use the Flydigi app. But if you use Flydigi Apex 2 as a normal Bluetooth controller, it will work with iPhone 15 Pro Max. So for the cable that you need to use for screencasting, if you have a normal HDMI, you can use this adapter. It has a type C. Let me show you. So it has a type C here. This is a type C, and it has HDMI port, type C port, and type A USB. So if you don't have type C to HDMI, you can use this. So if you do screencast, and if the HDMI cable that you use doesn't support 90 FPS or the 120 FPS, it will be at 60 FPS, even though your device supports 120 FPS or 90 FPS, and you use cable that only supports 60 FPS, the output will be at 60 FPS. So take note of that. So you can also use this for screencasting. Type HDMI port to type C. So it will be directly to your type C devices. But if you don't have a HDMI to type C, you only have HDMI to HDMI, you can use this. If you only have HDMI to HDMI, this is the type C to HDMI adapter. So that's all for iPhone 15 Pro Max using Flydigi Apex 2 as a normal Bluetooth controller. I hope that you learned from this video, and if this video helps you, just click the like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more gaming tutorials, DIY tutorials, reviews, and other contents. So that's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.